our salad bar buffet cold table. First off, the overall dimensions. For the length, we have a total of 47 3/4 inches, a depth of 34 inches, and a height of 59 1/4 inches tall with cover. Minus the cover, towards the top of the cutting board, we have 38 1/4 inches. Please note that the cold table will be mounted on wheels, as wheels are tucked within the pallet. For the cutting board, we have a length of 47 1/4 inches and a depth of 7 3/4 inches. And the opening from the cutting board towards the top of the glass cover, we have 19 3/8. Included are 18 pans. Each pan will measure 6 3/8 in length by 7 inches in depth by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 18 pans included. And for the top, we have our plexiglass cover. Left and right swing doors. And the internal dimensions for the refrigerator, we have 43 1/2 inches in length, 13 inches in depth, by 21 inches in height. Measurements for each shelf, we have 17 inches in depth by 21 inches in length. Measurements apply for the left and right shelf. And coming to the right corner is the ETL certification sticker. Back of the cold table is the temperature control along with the 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.